What's up, team? It's Tierra B, naturally, and in today's video, we're going to be doing a Dutch pour. Well, I'm attempting to do a Dutch pour. Basically, a Dutch pour is where you are using some type of air to manipulate paint on a surface to create art. And so here I am using this heat gun, thinking I'm getting somewhere, but you'll find out here shortly that I am really not getting anywhere. I was expecting this paint to like fly across the canvas and make some cool designs, and it's just barely moving. And I was like, well, did I put enough paint? Like, what is the problem? Considering I am determined, I just kept going, and it just was heating up the paint, and then it was getting stuck at certain places, and so it just wasn't going the way I thought it would. This is only my second time doing a Dutch pour, so the first one turned out really good. It was a really small one, so maybe that's why it worked well with this little heat gun. But in this case, you see, I'm really hardly getting any coverage, so I decided to go ahead and switch it up, stick to what I knew. Here in a few moments, you'll see a shift where I went ahead and just switched over to regular pour painting, where I just manipulate the paint by just moving it side to side, back and forth, and just creating the desired look. In order to do that, I definitely had to add more paint, so off camera, I went ahead and added some off-white there in those negative spaces to see if it will help me to create a beautiful design. So definitely keep on watching, and then comment below at the end and let me know how you think it turned out. Also, be sure to check out tierrabartistry.com. I will place the link in my description just in case you're interested in seeing some of the other art that I have created that is available for sale, including this one.